Hey, what's going on, guys? So my birthday was a couple days ago, and I've decided to treat myself to something nice, something that's going to benefit me in the future, and making videos. So in order for me to get my garage ready for it, I gotta clean it up. I gotta reorganize everything. I got these shelves that you see behind me, all these tools from when I was working on this thing, bringing it back to looking the way it's looking now. So I'm gonna set the camera up on time lapse, and I'm gonna go ahead and reorganize this garage to make room for what's coming. Okay guys, so we're back. It's about 4 days later, and finally got what I wanted in my garage, and here it is. It's this Husky toolbox from Home Depot. It's what I needed, it's what I wanted for a while, and having some birthday money, I decided to treat myself to a really nice toolbox. Look at the size of it, difference between my old one in the corner there and this one. It's like triple the size, maybe even bigger. Best part about it is the type of drawers. So these won't open on their own. You can pull it. You gotta pull it hard. Take it out, it comes out, and you just slide it. No slamming. Comes with the lock and key. Comes with these these are instructions, but don't need this. It comes with these rubber mats put inside each drawer so your tools don't slide around. They're nice and sticky. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move a lot of my tools from here that I don't have enough room to store, and we're going to store it all in here. This was the reason why I haven't cleaned out this table, because I was waiting for this until I got this toolbox so I can organize my workspace here. And I'm gonna put you guys in time lapse and get this going. So I got this thing pretty much to where I want it. Everything is nice and organized, nothing is cramped. Everything's in its place where it's supposed to be, how I want it. I've got all kinds of extensions and breaker bars and stuff. I haven't filled it up all the way yet, but what's it called? I'm going to get a socket organizer so I can get these sockets out of this case, put them all in the socket organizers, and they're all gonna go, hold on, in one of these drawers with the socket organizer. I think I'm gonna move this over to a different drawer, and then all my sockets with their organizers are going to lay down in here on the top drawer. So all my pliers and cutters, I'm going to move them. So I moved the all my pliers next to my screwdrivers because I use those all the time, and I figured it'll be fine if they're all in one place. This drawer entirely will be used for my sockets. But yeah, I'm gonna get this organized. So this is the finished product. All done. Everything's organized, everything is in its place, pretty much where I want it. So I'm going to finish off this video. Thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned for next video where I will be working on the bike. We are going to continue doing maintenance on it. I got to pull this radiator off, pull the fan off, do a coolant flush. I'm not sure how old this coolant is, and I don't think it's working properly, the cooling system. The fan doesn't kick on. Don't know anything about that thermostat, so in the next video we'll be digging into this. So thanks everybody for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.